Welcome to this video. What is AI really? Demystifying the digital intern. We will explore the practical realities of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is your new digital intern. While people might expect magic, you are actually managing a tireless worker. The AI intern operates in 3 stages: reading vast amounts of data, having no human sense of facts, and calculating patterns to predict what comes next. We have shifted from merely searching for existing information to generating custom solutions and answers. Traditional search acts like a librarian, locating and linking. Generative AI is like a chef, synthesizing and creating direct, custom answers in a two-way conversation. Machine learning trains through millions of repetitions. Input data is used to identify patterns, and correct guesses are rewarded for reinforcement. AI calculates the most logical next word based on a massive library of human speech patterns, assigning probabilities to options. ChatGPT, a large language model or LLM, acts as your most versatile tool, capable of handling a wide array of tasks. The digital intern excels at 4 core tasks: summarizing documents, translating languages while preserving context, overcoming creative friction, and role-playing as different personas. The intern relies entirely on your instructions, or prompts. Good instructions yield good results. Bad instructions yield bad results. Specific prompts deliver exact results. A good prompt defines the context, format, length, and tone, unlike a generic prompt. The Explain Like I'm 5 challenge involves asking AI to translate a complex topic into simple analogies with clear instructions for transformative understanding. AI maps complex concepts to new environments. For example, it can explain a mortgage using only pizza analogies. Artificial intelligence accelerates human decisions. By offloading busy work like speed and pattern matching to AI, humans can focus on strategy and high-level decisions. The magic of AI lives in how you direct the machine. The digital intern needs a manager. The intern needs you.